We'll guide you through how to download and install the Ice and Fire Dragons mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This mod adds a whole new theme to Minecraft with dragons, so it's super cool. So let's go and get started. First of all, let's quit Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop. And then what you want to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll go and use Chrome. What you want to do is type in Ice and Fire Dragons Minecraft like this, and we can then go to the CurseForge site. Now what you want to do is go over to the right of description and go and click on Files, and then you want to go and scroll down. Now what you want to do is choose the version you want. Personally, I like to go and get the most up-to-date version possible. In this case, that's for 1.20.1. So I'll then go over to the right and click on the three dots and click on Download File. Just note down the version you get there because we'll need to go and get Forge, which is how we go and run this for the same version. You can go and see here that this mod requires Citadel. So what we're going to do is go and click back like so. And what we can then do is go and type it in at the top here, Citadel like so, and go and search for it. Here it is here, a lightweight library. Go to the right of description and click on Files. So what we need to do is make sure we get it for the same version. In this case, mine's 1.20.1. That's right at the top here. So I'll go over to the right, click on the three dots and click on Download File like so. Then what you need to do is go and wait for this to finish downloading. After it's finished downloading, we then need to go and search for Forge. Forge is how we go and run mods. So go and type it in and you want to come to the official site. As I said, you need to get Forge for the same version as you got Ice and Fire Dragons for. In this case, that's 1.20.1 for me. So I've got that selected and I can go and click on Installer like so. You then go and get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware this is an ad here. If you see a download button, it's for the ad, it's not for Forge. You need to click on the skip button in the top right and it's now downloaded. And before we start the install process, a big thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned comment. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server and they've got so many awesome features. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, instant setup upon purchase, and so much more. So if you're interested, check them out. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So let's go and continue. You need to go and open up a file explorer, as I have got here, and come to your downloads. And what we need to do is go and install Forge. So go and double click on it like so. When you go and open it up, if it doesn't go and open or something else happens, then this may be because you don't have Java installed or not properly installed. So what you can do is go and close off of it. You can go and open up a web browser and go to java.com. You can download Java and install it. After you've done that, you can return and go and find it, right click on it, hover over open with and click on Java. And then hopefully it will go and work. Select install client and go and click OK like so. Like that, it's now finished. So then what we can do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like this. Head to the top of the launcher and click on installations. And then what you can do is go and scroll down like so until you go and find Forge and hover over it. Move your cursor over to the right and click on the file or folder icon. We'll then go and get this pop-up. And what you need to do is go and find the mods folder. So go and scroll through it like so, and here we are. And then what we can do is go and add in the Ice and Fire Dragons mod, and also Citadel or Kitadel, however you want to say it, like so. And that's it. Then what we can do is hover over Forge, go to the right and click on play. Here we are in a world. So if we go and open up our inventory, we can go and use the arrows at the top here and you'll go and see we've got Ice and Fire sections. I'll click on items and scroll to the bottom here. So what we can do is go and grab one, for example, this one here, and we can then go and start spawning them. If you guys found this useful and you want to go and see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.